In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change to a landscape design in Canva. So if you're starting with a vertical design, whether you have assets on it already or not, you can rotate this page to be landscape without adjusting all of the design elements. Let me walk you through the process so you can see exactly how it's done. Let's say you have some paragraph text on your design. What we're going to do is rotate the page into a landscape orientation. To begin, you'll want to look for the new magic switch feature, which might sound familiar as it's essentially the old resize feature, located right up there in the top toolbar. Now, depending on whether you're using Canva's free version or the Pro version, you might notice some differences in accessibility. If you haven't tried Canva Pro yet, there might be an option to try it for free, which could be beneficial for accessing certain features. Once you're in the resizing section, you'll see that you can select your desired size. This area offers several presets, but you also have the flexibility to use custom size. So let's click on that option. Inside custom size, you'll notice the width and height of your current design are already populated. Here's where the magic happens. You'll find a landscape button. Click it, and you'll see the dimensions automatically adjust to turn your design into a landscape format. After clicking the landscape button, you'll want to proceed by hitting the Continue button. You should see a confirmation of the size change. Typically, it will now show as 11 by 8.5, which reflects the new landscape version. After confirming, click Continue again. At this point, Canva provides a preview which allows you to see that while the page orientation changes, the individual elements, like your text, remain unchanged. Next, Canva will offer you two options: either resize your current document or keep the vertical version and create a new document in landscape. It's completely a matter of preference at this stage, depending on whether you want to save your current design or replace it. For this demonstration, let's go ahead and resize our existing design. Click that option, and just like that, your entire canvas rotates to landscape mode, effectively changing the resolution of your design. Now, keep in mind that this process is quite versatile. If you ever need to revert from landscape to portrait, or vice versa, you can apply this same rotation method. And that's it. You've successfully changed your design to landscape in Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it enhances your design projects.